Now come to the last part of the session, and that is banking requirement and procedures. Basically, for running our businesses, and this is just to give you a working understanding, because many times I have seen business owners or entrepreneurs, they tend to run away from the numbers, and leave it to their people, to their department, and as a result of that, the control that they must have is not there, which of course results into some challenges for running of their operations. So now in this session what I am covering is कि बैंक से हमको किस तरह की फैसिलिटीज़ मिलती हैं और वो बैंक की फैसिलिटीज़ किस तरह से ऑपरेट करती हैं, एंड and how to keep a track and how to keep a control on them. So primarily अगर आप देखें तो banks will lend you two kinds of facilities, and remember, from the banks you can get something which is known as term loan and something which is known as working capital loan. Term loan we are not talking about at this juncture, because term loan you will take for purchasing an asset or for a capital expenditure or for buying an asset. So and that's where you will take loan for a longer period. That is not our focus at this juncture. Today we are talking about the finances that you get from for the purpose of working capital. So from that angle, there are two types of the facilities that we get. One is fund based and second is known as non fund based. And no rocket science. Fund based का क्या मतलब है? फंड बेस्ड का मतलब है व्हेन यू आर गेटिंग द फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द बैंक, यानी कि आपके हाथ में पैसा आ रहा है, द मनी इज कमिंग इनटू योर बैंक अकाउंट फ्रॉम द बैंक, एंड दैट इज व्हाट इज नोन एज फंड बेस्ड फैसिलिटी. द अदर वन इज नॉन फंड बेस्ड, एंड व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ नॉन फंड बेस्ड? अगेन नो रॉकेट साइंस. दिस फैसिलिटी इज कमिंग टू यू, बट इट इज नॉट कमिंग टू यू इन द फॉर्म ऑफ मनी. So if it is not coming to you in the form of money, then how it is coming? It is coming to you in the form of something which is known as bank guarantee and something which is known as LC or letter of credit. So देखिए, जब आप बैंक गारंटी लेते हैं बैंक से किसी के फेवर में, या आप LC लेते हैं किसी को देने के लिए, तो उस समय बैंक आपको पैसा नहीं दे रही है, बैंक आपको एक अथॉरिटी दे रही है, गारंटी दे रही है, और उस गारंटी के बेसिस पे आपका कस्टमर या आपका वेंडर आपको सपोर्ट करने को तैयार है. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, you have approached a new customer. Customer does not know you, you do not know the customer. The stakes involved are high. Customer does not trust you because he is dealing with you first time, and since you also do not know the customer, that's why you also don't trust the customer. But the transaction has to be done. So how do you do the transaction? So what you say to your customer कि आप चिंता मत करो, आपको जो आप हमें पैसा दे रहे हैं उसके बदले में हम आपको सप्लाई करेंगे. अगर आपको कुछ डाउट है तो हम आपको बैंक गारंटी देते हैं. सो व्हाट यू विल डू, यू विल गिव अ बैंक गारंटी इन फेवर ऑफ द कस्टमर. एंड व्हाट दैट बैंक गारंटी वुड से, दैट बैंक गारंटी वुड से इन केस इफ यू फेल टू डिलीवर द गुड्स एज पर द ऑर्डर, then the bank will reimburse the advance payment that they have paid to you directly to your customer. So this is how the bank guarantee, I've just given you one example, this is how the bank guarantee will work. Same is the case with the LC. So you want to purchase material from someone, that someone doesn't trust you, you don't trust him either, so you do not want to give him the advance payment, but you still want the material. He wants advance payment, without which he is not interested to supply you the material. So what you do, you ask the bank to release a letter of credit in favor of your vendor. So the vendor, because of by virtue of this letter of credit, gets the assurance that in case if you fail, then he will have the recourse to the bank which has issued the letter of credit. So he is sure of his money coming in. तो फंड बेस्ड लिमिट जो फैसिलिटीज़ हैं उसकी क्या क्या फॉर्म होती है? कैश क्रेडिट, डिमांड लोन, बिल डिस्काउंटिंग, एक्सपोर्ट क्रेडिट एंड टेम्पोररी फैसिलिटीज़. टेम्पोररी फैसिलिटीज़ का मतलब क्या है? सडनली यू आर एक्सपीरियंसिंग अपसर्ज इन योर टर्नओवर and you are running short of working capital. You have been having long relation with your bank, सो यू आस्क द बैंक कि हमें एक टेम्परेरी फैसिलिटी दे दो, जैसे ही हमारा पेमेंट आएगा हम आपको वापस कर देंगे. सो दैट्स योर टेम्परेरी फैसिलिटी. नॉन फंड बेस्ड, as I've explained to you, is the guarantee and the letter of credit. Bank guarantee and the letter of credit, right? So friends, with this we come to the close of this session, and in case if there are any question, I would be happy to take them. Thank you so much. Thank you Usha ji. Thank you Shobha ji. Thank you all of you. Thank Vicky Flo for this session. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. I mean, there's a lot of learning.